my name is Kyla Chantel. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing the long-awaited video of how to make coconut bake. And I have my husband with me and he's going to show us how to make it. Let's get into the video.
I should crack this outside. Right now, just prime the flesh of the coconut of the shell using a knife. This knife is sharp, so I have to be careful. So I try and get underneath and push up. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. So I just try and find an edge and work the knife below the flesh and pry it upwards. Like that. Cutting it into smaller pieces to put in the blender.
How do you know how much water to put?
Average.
We're using the blend option. How do you know when it's blended enough?
It's be fine.
So is this ready?
No, not yet.
What consistency should it be at so you know
Like
that
a
it's
fine,
ready?
fine chop. So let's try this. So you use a fine strainer to strain it, and you press down as much as possible to get as much liquid out of it.
Do you use the liquid after?
Yes. You incorporate it when you're mixing in the flour.
And you use the coconut shredded?
Yeah, so we call this the husk of the coconut. So this will be part of the dry ingredients.
So we're heating the water, not boiling it, because warm water helps that yeast activate faster in the flour. This is about 2 cups, 4 cups, 6 cups, half a bag.
Not sure. I usually average. Actually, I'm supposed to use a measuring cup. I hope not.
So we're mixing all-purpose flour with some whole wheat flour.
Because I don't have bran.
But it's just a little whole wheat flour and more of the all-purpose.
Back home, we use bran in the flour instead of the regular white flour.
Now, it's preferred to use unsalted butter.
Because I still have to add regular salt to the flour.
And about how much butter would you say?
A cup.
2 teaspoons
Yeah.
of salt into the flour. So we're putting activated yeast into the flour, and we're using 1.5 packs. Last time we used a pack, but it wasn't enough. And do you melt it all the way down? So you're just trying to soften the butter, not melt it. What are you gonna do with this water?
This is what I'll use to mix the flour and bring it together. So I'm doing half cold, half hot, so the water will be warm. Should be good. Now I'm gonna double wash my hands. Now my hand is going to go in the flour.
So you don't add all at once.
Try not to. You don't overwhelm your dry ingredients with too much of the husk. And then you feel the flour for any big pieces of coconut.
And you take them out. What tells you that you need more flour?
Instinct, I guess.
Like, how does it feel a certain way?
No, just the amount. The look, texture.
So that was the coconut water. And this is the warm water.
You gotta be careful how much you put in. Try not to put too much, else it could overwhelm the flour and ruin it. So you put a little at a time, mixing the flour, and you add it as you go along.
So you sprinkle more flour because it's a little wet.
But you still want to incorporate all the dry ingredients. The bowl must be clean as possible after you finish kneading the flour.
How do you know when it's finished kneading?
It's supposed to be not too soft, but this is just a technique I developed over the years of kneading flour. I realized the more I knead it, sometimes the softer it comes. But you can't knead it too much because if you knead it too much, it could get, it doesn't work out. I don't know how to explain it. So you gotta let it rest and then you come back at it. So this is what you want your bowl to be like, clean, nothing sticking against the sides. So I'll give it a little 3-minute rest and I'll come back and add a little oil and knead it together again. And now we let rice. Raise. That's it.
How long do you leave it for?
I leave it until, I would say 30, 40 minutes usually when it comes up to the surface of the bowl.
So the dough has been sitting for a long time, but it has risen. Okay, we're getting ready to prepare the dough for baking, and we have these two trays that we're going to use. We don't have the tray we would usually use. It's a longer, deeper pan, but this is what we have. Let us know in the comments what tray you prefer to use when you bake your bake. This is to help it not to stick in the pan, to butter the pan. I thought you had to roll it out. How flat do you have to get it?
Just enough to get to fill out the pan. Preheat this oven, I'll do 370.
Does it matter if you put it on the top or bottom?
It does. I will start at the bottom first and then put it at the top. I don't really have a set timer for this. I will just wing it. But let's do 20 minutes and see how it goes.
Oh, you didn't poke holes in it.
Oh,
And put it on the top for how long?
about 20 minutes.
So 2020? It looks good. Is it stuck?
No, not. You have to edit that too.
Thanks for tuning into the video. I got to learn how to make a coconut bake. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips or suggestions or how you make yours. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.